Hello everyone, welcome back to Autopulse. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into its features, setup process, and real-world usability. So, if you love innovative travel gear, stick around as we explore this next-generation microcamper. The concept of compact camping has taken a giant leap forward with the 2025 mini folding tent camper Tricycle. It's designed for people who love the outdoors but want a lightweight, easy-to-transport camping solution. Traditional RVs and trailers are great, but they require larger vehicles and plenty of parking space. The mini folding tent camper Tricycle, on the other hand, is an all-in-one, human-powered and electric-assisted alternative that makes camping more accessible. It's built with an ultralight yet durable aluminum frame and comes with a built-in electric assist, making pedaling a breeze even on hilly terrains. The Tricycle itself is engineered for balance, ensuring a smooth and stable ride. Whether you're cycling through city streets, countryside roads, or off-the-beaten-path trails, this camper Tricycle is designed to handle it all. Let's talk about what makes this Tricycle so unique. First off, the design is incredibly compact. When fully folded, the camper unit sits neatly on the rear of the Tricycle, making it easy to navigate tight spaces. But with a few simple adjustments, the camper unfolds into a comfortable, weatherproof tent. The tent is made of high-quality, waterproof, and wind-resistant material, ensuring you stay dry and comfortable in different weather conditions. It includes a built-in sleeping pad, providing a cozy place to rest after a long day of cycling. There's also a small storage area for essential camping gear, like cooking equipment, clothes, and supplies. One of the most exciting features is the built-in solar panel system. The 2025 model comes equipped with a foldable solar panel that charges a battery pack while you ride or camp. This means you can keep your devices charged, power small lights, or even run a mini fan for extra comfort. Additionally, the Tricycle has a modular design that allows for upgrades. Want extra storage? There's an option to add side panniers. Need more comfort? You can attach a thicker sleeping pad or a compact mattress. It's all about flexibility to fit your camping style. Now, let's go over how the mini folding tent camper transforms from a Tricycle into a full-fledged microcamper. The process is designed to be quick and hassle-free, taking just a few minutes. Unfold the frame. The rear storage compartment expands outward, creating the base for the tent. Extend the tent fabric. The weather-resistant tent material pops up, supported by lightweight but sturdy poles. Secure the structure. Locking mechanisms keep everything in place, ensuring stability even in windy conditions. Set up the sleeping area. A built-in sleeping pad unfolds, providing a comfortable resting space. And just like that, you have a compact but functional camper ready for the night. You might be wondering, how well does it actually perform on the road? Thanks to its lightweight frame and electric assist motor, pedaling is surprisingly effortless. The battery-powered motor provides a boost when needed, allowing riders to tackle long distances without excessive fatigue. The Tricycle's wide, rugged tires offer excellent traction, making it ideal for both paved roads and light off-road trails. Whether you're traveling through the city, exploring national parks, or camping by a lake, this Tricycle is built to adapt. In terms of storage, while it may not replace a full-sized RV, it does have enough space for solo travelers or minimalist campers. If you're planning a multi-day trip, packing smart is key, but the Tricycle's design makes it easy to carry the essentials. One of the biggest advantages of the 2025 mini folding tent camper Tricycle is its environmental impact, or rather, the lack of it. Unlike traditional RVs, which rely on gasoline or diesel, this Tricycle runs purely on human power with optional electric assistance. This means zero emissions and a significantly smaller carbon footprint. Beyond its eco-friendliness, it's also incredibly cost-effective. There's no need for expensive fuel, insurance, or costly maintenance. With a one-time purchase and minimal upkeep, this Tricycle camper offers a budget-friendly way to explore the great outdoors. Who is this camper Tricycle best suited for? It's perfect for solo travelers, bikepacking enthusiasts, and digital nomads looking for a lightweight, mobile camping solution. If you love weekend getaways, road trips, or even extended adventures, this Tricycle can be a game-changer. It's also a great option for urban dwellers who want a quick escape without the hassle of traditional camping gear. Just cycle to your destination, unfold your camper, and you're set for a comfortable night under the stars. The 2025 Mini Folding Tent Camper Tricycle is more than just a mode of transportation, it's a gateway to adventure. It combines mobility, sustainability, and comfort in one compact package, making it an ideal choice for modern explorers. Would you take this on your next adventure? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more innovative travel gear and outdoor adventures. Thanks for watching, and happy camping!